Heavy rain again. Rain. See this. This is my smoked fish. Hey friends. Now let's get started cooking a different dishes. Let me show you. So we'll start now. And today my recipe will be this. Fish, and let me smoke it in this, and after when it is properly smoked, I'll cook it in Naga style. So this fish is going to smoke right now. See, I didn't peel off the skin. Why? Because when I smoke the fish, it should not break into pieces. So let's get started, my friends. Once again here deep in the forest to get the rustic flavor of the forest. Here. So we'll wait for some time. Let it smoke properly. Karai. Handi kala hai. The pot is black. Here I'm going to smash this also. So all this, put them together and smash this. I'm adding the fish. Against my work, again heavy rain. As you see this raining, and my kitchen is all wet. Now I have to transfer it to my small gas and cook. See my roof. To cook here because of them. All wet because of rain. See this. This is my smoked fish, potato and tomato. Anyways, I managed to cook and my food is ready. So friends, let's start the forest feast. I won't say this is mukbang, it's just a single recipe. So let's have lunch. See this. Wow. Friends, join with me. Let's start the forest feast. Chalo, let's start. Go to the go. Kha kang le, khamen chin le, alu, thảo long mana swang, yo. See this. Let's start. Good. Very, very good. All wet. I'm all wet. Shivering again. Some soup. Yummy. Raining again. Jaldi se खाओ. Tu ko tung đây. Ting ru da tiệm. Nắp tu bông hạ. Cái đồ. Okay, let's sit in the rain. Thank you everyone. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like it, share, comments and subscribe. Hôm nay sibun baro không cụ thêm bay đây. Tin ru lang na alay. Tu tan thế, thế. Thanks. See you. Bye bye.